This is our footwell and puddle lighting kit. Includes both sides for your footwells and LEDs that go underneath the doors. Kind of see them there. And when you order these two kits together, the puddle lights connect into your footwell lights, so you do not have to tap into any factory wiring at all. The puddle lights connect to our footwell kits, which plug directly into the factory connector on the footwells, and they also retain the theater effect of the factory lights. There's another kit we do offer is the front and rear trunk LED kit, and these all plug into the factory connectors, so you do not have to tap into any wires. Just unplug the factory lights and plug ours in. And here's the driver's side footwell and puddle lights. Lights up the area underneath the door and both footwells. And we'll walk around and get a picture of the front trunk lighting. And this also plugs directly into the factory light. And we have a kit that covers the front and rear trunk and the interior, and then you can also do a puddle light instead of the complete kit to get the puddle lights.